In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track orders in Shopify. We'll walk through the process inside your Shopify admin, so you can easily add tracking details and keep your customers updated on their shipments. Go ahead and log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, focus on the menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the option labeled Orders and click on it. This is where Shopify stores every order that has come through your store, whether it's open, fulfilled, or cancelled. After clicking Orders, you'll see a list of all your recent orders. Find the specific order you want to add tracking information to and click on it to open the order details page. This page shows you everything related to that order, such as the customer's information, what they purchased, and the current status of the order. On this order page, look for the first main card or section that summarizes the items in the order. Near the bottom right corner of the section, you should see a button that says Mark as Fulfilled. Click on that. As soon as you do, Shopify will reveal two new fields where you can enter shipment details. The first field is for the tracking number. This is the tracking code provided by your shipping carrier, like when you ship through a postal service or a courier. Carefully copy and paste or type the tracking number into this field. Make sure it's correct, because your customer will use this code to track their package. The second field is for the shipping carrier. Click on the drop-down menu and choose the courier or shipping service you're using for this order. Picking the right carrier helps Shopify generate the correct tracking link, so customers can click through and see real-time updates on their shipment. Below these fields, you'll see an option to send a notification to the customer. There's a checkbox beside this. If you want Shopify to email your customer and let them know their order has been shipped, make sure this box is checked. This is a great way to build trust and reduce support questions, since customers won't have to ask you where their order is. Once you've added the tracking number, selected the shipping carrier, and chosen whether to notify the customer, go ahead and click Mark as Fulfilled again at the bottom right of that first card. Shopify will now update the order status to Fulfilled, save your tracking details, and if you check the box, send the shipping notification to your customer.